So everyone, how do you find the performance of the team?
Good, uncle.
What good, beta?
Radhya, please become live.
Yeah, everybody.
Uncle, this drama is
Sir,
very good
Rudra
because
is showing a book.
Rudra is
Showing a one book.
okay, showing one book also. Okay, got it. What are the good points we have seen in this from the others? From the others, what are the good points you have seen in the presentation of your your competitor, Nitya, Shreya?
Sir, they know about many books.
They
It
know
was
have
a
they?
good.
yes,
Yeah, they have the idea about names of. They have shown me.
yes.
Yes. What do you say?
They speak good English,
Very good. Yes,
good
Monal.
conversation.
Good conversation. Yes. Okay. What is your thought, Monal, Daksh, Kush, Nitya?
I think because they were saying in proper English.
Okay, Nitya, what is your addition?
Sir, they were in their group. They were having nice chemistry.
They were having nice chemistry. Yeah, that is important, right? Right. Very true. Yes, Daksh. What is your thought?
Yes, sir. They knows about the books
Okay, they
very
know
well.
about the book. Okay, they know about the book. They knows is wrong sentence. They know about the book, right? Okay, good. Okay, I'll go to the next shop now. That better the next shop should be ready. Nitya, I'm coming to your shop, right? So your team is ready?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So what? Who are there in your team? Can I have the introduction of your team?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's Monal, Ojasvi, and Lisha.
Okay. For the next time, you give them the designation also. That Monal is the branch manager, Ojasvi is the
Radhya, become live.
account manager, and
Account manager.
Lisha is the store manager. Okay, right?
Store manager.
This way. Okay, and from the next time we can do that, right? Okay, yeah. So I'm coming to your shop, Nitya, and you sell plants. Okay, okay. Yeah. Now I have come to your shop. Can you help me? I have taken a farm land of 1 hectare, one acre. Okay, I want to do plantation in that. What should I do? What is your thought in that?
Sir, we have flower plants, fruit plants, vegetable plants, and Ayurvedic plants. Which one do you want?
I don't have any idea about it. Can you suggest me like what should I do?
Okay. You have a 1 acre land that you suggest money plants, mango trees, apple trees, or banana trees, or coconut trees.
Okay, Nitya, what is your
And
thought? Yes, Nitya.
My thought is this, that do you want to do farming? You want to do fooding like that, or you just want a farm for like farmhouse?
What should I do? I don't have any idea. I don't have any idea. You suggest me. Somebody told me that you people are really doing good in plantation, and you really have a very good shop also. So I am happy that I have landed in the right place. So you tell me what should I do? I've told you I have a land of 1 acre, 1 acre with me, and I want to make it green. So what is the right?
If you will,
sir, we have seeds, so take to your farm and grow them in your farm.
Can you help me? I can have seeds from you, but see, I don't have any experience in doing that. So can you guide me or something, some sort of help?
you can.
You
if
have
you
good
will take
materials.
flower
Good
plants,
materials.
Yes.
if you will take flower plants, so your farm will look beautiful. If you will take fruits and vegetables plant, so you can save your money and for Ayurvedic plants too. And if you will take showing plants, so you can also add to your home.
Okay, Lisha, what is your thought?
Sir, you can buy some trees like all fruits and
grow to your farm, then it is now it's corona, so we can eat fruits and be healthy.
Okay,
So
good, good,
grow
good.
some fruits, plant.
Okay,
Sir, what's my opinion is this, that you should take all the plants, all the types,
okay,
like 2, 3 of all the types, all sort of.
okay,
So your first thing, like you want the farm to be green, so it will also look nice. It will also give you fruits and vegetables. It will
okay,
also look nice. And you
fine.
will also get Ayurvedic plants, so
Okay,
that the medicines you are spending on, you will save your money. So this is
okay,
my opinion.
okay. Oh, Jasvi, what
You
is that?
take my suggestion is that you take like rice plant, that my rice plant, you save your money and you eat the rice, and uncle, what we can say in English, gehu.
Wheat.
Maybe you bought wheat also,
Okay,
and
Raja, please become live. And
okay,
Anamika also.
yes,
and you some bought good trees like cactus also, and some trees, mango, banana, apple trees, and flower, very like good very good nature. And
okay,
you okay, there is very oxygen plant also,
okay,
you take that.
okay. Licia,
And
what is your thought?
Sir, to grow plants in farm, you have to buy some more plants from our shop, and for oxygen also, you can get oxygen from growing more plants and
Okay,
fruits.
okay. This is good. Latya, what is your thought? What is the best offer you can give to me? Yes, Nitya, I cannot hear you.
So her voice is not coming.
My,
Sir, your voice is not correct. Yes,
why
sir,
so?
now it's correct. Sir, can you please repeat, because that
My question
your
is
voice
this.
was
Yeah,
cracking.
yeah. What suggestion you can give, Nitya? I want a suggestion from your end also.
Sir, my suggestion is this.
Yes. Your voice is not coming, Nitya. I cannot hear you. I think she has lost the connection. Is it?
Sir.
Yes.
Yeah, she has come
I
back.
also want that.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, my opinion is this, that you should take all the plants, like little bit of all the types of plants, so that you will have fruits to eat and vegetables. You can all buy some plants. You can also make your farm look good. And what your opinion was, that your farm should look green. So it will also look green. So this is my opinion.
Okay, from the rest, should I purchase something from them? This is question to other group. Should I purchase something from them? Question to other group.
If you like something, then you can purchase.
Okay,
Yes.
I should purchase, you are saying. But I have limited money, so I will be spending my money only in one shop. Should I purchase?
Sir, what you have
That-
to purchase?
I don't know. I have
Sir,
limited
how much
money.
is your
that will depend on
budget?
you. It will depend on you. I think you have to spend it in the last when all the shops get their presentation.
Yes, sir. I agree with thee.
Okay, good. Okay, beta. So now, thanks. Very good presentation to every. This was done very well, coordinated well, and the thoughts are also good. And we are also, I mean, getting new ideas. That's a good point. Good things we have covered on plants, like what are the benefits of plants and what are the different varieties of the plants which are available. Okay, I am going to go to the last shop now, and the shop owner is Aradhya. Okay. So Aradhya, let everybody be live now. Let everybody come live. I want to see everybody sitting and they should not be sleeping. Everybody be live. Yeah. Rudra is not there, I think. Yeah. Rudra, are you there? Rudra is always doubtful.
No.
He's not there. Okay. Come on. So who has got Rudra in the team? Anamika, your teammate has run away.
Sir, what
Yeah.
kind of items you want?
Yeah.
Hello,
Sir,
welcome,
what kind-
sir. Welcome to our shop.
Okay, good. This is a welcome garland.
Sir, what kind of items you want?
I can take anything. Yeah, I can take anything. Whatever I feel is good, I can take that. So I am entering your shop, Aradhya, and your shop is a shop of gadgets. Okay. Now I have entered. Suppose I have entered. I am saying that I want to give some gadgets to my wife. Okay. So how can you help me?
Okay, you can buy many type of gadget, like you can buy
Sir,
earbuds.
you take solar cat.
Solar cat. What is that?
Sir, solar cat is only we have charge on sun,
Yeah.
then we
So-
use in light. So then solar cat having inside the
Yes.
colorful light.
Only colorful light is advantage, right? Or any other advantage also.
Sir,
Yes, sir. In the night,
It can
yes,
work
sir.
as a lamp.
In night,
This will work as
yes.
a night lamp or your night bulb sort of light. It will give very light.
Sir, in night, the solar cat is looking very pretty also.
Okay, good. Yes, sir.
Uncle,
Aradhya.
you can also give a mobile or
Okay. Yes,
You can also buy a smartwatch or
smartwatch.
some gadgets for the home, like TV, washing machine.
Okay.
And
What?
you take wireless charger also.
Wireless charger. Okay. What is
There's
that?
a good
you take
good quality of the wireless charger in our shop.
Okay.
It's Belkin sound from LED,
Okay.
hi-fi smartphone
Okay.
plus wireless charger. It is the
Okay.
name of
Wireless
the
charger
gadget.
company Samsung, very good company.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
and we
you
have
take cubes and also like that. So,
What?
sir, cubes like
Tube light you're saying?
no, sir. Sir, like this.
What? What is that?
Sir, like cubes.
The cubes. Okay. You're saying cubes. Okay. Okay. These are the cubes. Okay.
And
Fine.
this one.
Okay. So I want to give to my wife. What my wife will do with these cubes?
I think you have to buy a smartphone printer.
Okay. What is that?
It is
No,
a
sir,
type of
you buy solar cat. Solar cat is very good and very pretty.
But my wife will get scared of it. Now, when she is going to shout, my wife is going to run away from the home.
In the smartphone printer, it will take no time. It is also so handy. You can take it anywhere where you want.
I don't think you people will sell anything to me. तुम्हारी दुकान बंद हो जाएगी.
in fact, there are good members. Yes, uncle, we are not working good because one of the person is saying and then suddenly another person started
The
saying.
coordination
So
is not.
how can you listen?
No, that is fine, beta. But this happens, no issue. You all are doing good. Everybody is doing good. Some corrections everybody needs, so we will understand that. Okay. Okay. Yes,
Yes, uncle.
Aradhya, come on. Give me some other option.
Sir, you can buy smart watches,
Yeah, that's true.
headphones.
I heard something of that nowadays. Some people are wearing health watches or some sort of band. What is that? Health band or what?
Sir,
What is that?
Fitbit band. Sir,
Fitbit band. Yeah, yeah.
band like.
Fitness band. Yeah. What is that? I am interested in that. What is that?
Sir,
What are?
it is a band like a mobile. It
Hmm.
connect from the mobile also, and
Hmm.
there are many exercises like treadmill, walking, running,
Hmm.
and many more like that.
Hmm.
And there is a lock also on the like mobile,
Right.
and we
It will
more we it there is a wallpaper we set also from mobile.
Okay.
it will
And
guide you can you do exercises.
Okay.
sir, it will your heartbeat also and BP also like.
Beautiful. 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 Okay. It's a good presentation. Everybody has done good in that. Ojasvi, Anamika. Yeah.
Uncle,
Sir,
but I
first you
not get
take
the chance to say.
why
You did not get a chance to say? Okay. Let
No,
Lavanya.
uncle.
So,
Okay. Lavanya also add the things. Yes, Lavanya,
sir,
beta. Yes.
Uncle, you can
in
give
my
me the mobile.
in WhatsApp, I'll say that I'll discuss that how everyone can speak
Okay.
like
No.
one by one.
Okay. Okay. No issue. This happens, but whenever we go for a group activity, this all challenges comes. So gradually it will go down. Once everybody will understand, then only it is going to go down. It happens. Most of the time it happens.
Okay,
Don't worry.
Lavanya,
Lavanya,
if
please,
you
beta.
want to give your
Yeah.
opinion, you can.
Yeah, Lavanya, tell me.
How our groups work? You can give a smartphone to your wife, and you can also give a washing machine,
Okay.
or there are many things
Okay.
for home decorations,
Okay.
and you can give smartphones in app like Apple Mobile and many type of mobile, Vivo,
Right.
and we have many good qualities of mobile,
Okay.
and
sir
you
best
can
phone
use
sir
washing
best phone is
machine.
you take Realme 8 Pro.
Realme Pro. This is a mobile. Is this a
Sir,
mobile?
Realme 8 Pro. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Good.
in
Good.
mobile, sir,
I got the point. I
sir,
got the
in
point. But about
mobile there
learning,
is
just a minute. Just a minute. Just.
So you can
I
also
Okay, done. Your time is running up. Done. Very good presentation by all the three group. Very good done. Very good led also. Your leaders have done good job. You have taken your team and done good job. But I have one. I am worried about one thing. My worry is this: as we are making a team of four each, everybody is not getting enough of time to speak. My worry is this, right? So when we will make a movie of 5 minutes, 6 minutes, everybody will not get enough of time to deliver the dialogues. So what my thought is this: I'll reduce the size of the team for movie making to 3
so
only now. Okay.
so
So
we
I
will
am.
discuss about it about four characters content.
I did not get the point. Yes.
So we will discuss about how everyone have to say by one
No.
at the WhatsApp.
I got the point. My only question is this: we will restrict our team size to 3 only. We will not go to 4 because everybody should get enough of time to speak, which we are not getting in current case of keeping the team size 4. Right. So we will move back to 3 now. In this 3, Amitesh
Sir,
and
but
yeah.
there are dialogues of everyone, so
No, but
everyone can say.
no, that is true. But every team will get only 5-6 minutes to speak. So everybody will not get enough of time if there are 4 person. But if there are 3, then the time will be more for everybody, each person. Okay, so that is a thought. So my thing, Amitesh and Kush, you come back to your group. Okay, you will not be part of other group. You will lead the group. But Lishya, you will, because your team will become very strong if Lishya will join. So Lishya, you join Nitya's team. Nitya, you take Lishya with you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Monal, you join the team of Amitesh and Kush. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Amitesh, Kush, and Monal. This is the new team. Monal, have you got this answer?
Yes.
Okay, and Lishya, you will join Nitya's team, right? So Nitya, you have got a team now. Nitya, Ojasvi, and Lishya. Okay.